The testing is going well. Existing technology that we were looking at 5 years ago would cost us $200 million. With this innovative technology, we're looking at installing it for around $4 million, which is a substantial savings for our cooperative members which buy our power.
So I'm Andrew Cotter, I'm Program Manager for the Cooperative Research Network, which is the research arm of the National Rural Electric Cooperative Association.
The co-op, as well as the broader industry, has a real good story to tell.
There's a lot of environmental challenges that are coming down the pike for electric cooperatives.
Every few years, EPA has to go through and evaluate whether those standards are protective enough, and if they don't believe that they are based on their science, then they can ratchet it down further.
The dry sorbate injection that we're testing today has an opportunity to provide a much less expensive alternative to traditional emission controls technology, reducing the cost of an important emission control by upwards of 90%. And for some plants, that could really be the difference between keeping them running for another 10 years or having them close down in the next few.
The unique way these programs work, like with EES, is that the vendors are working hand in hand with a group of the cooperatives who are all set about to figure out a way to either reduce sulfur dioxide or reduce mercury or some combination thereof.
NRECA has been fantastic to work with. We have multiple opportunities with NRECA members. NRECA has been able to pull those funds from the member companies and really target technologies that are low cost, low capital, and absolutely crucial to the ongoing viability of their member companies.
So first and foremost, it's really about reducing the cost to the electric cooperatives. Because if you reduce the cost of these utilities, it ends up making electricity more affordable to the end member consumers.
This is actually a viable long-term strategy for SO2 control.
NRECA's electric generation co-ops are all over the United States and burn every kind of coal you can think of. So the coals are different, the problems are different, and we try to come up with solutions that can apply as often as possible across the board.
CRN collectively can assess the technology, evaluate it, do a demonstration, look at the results, and then disseminate it to all other co-ops.
At NRECA, we really try to do a lot of research to help make sure the electric cooperatives have as many opportunities as possible to keep their plants running in a clean, affordable, and reliable manner.